our Defence Minister Sri Manohar Parrikar is practically acting as a broker, trying to do his best to see that precious land of Goa is given to the Defence Ministry for a song. 250 acres of land which was identified for industrial purpose, where roads have been prepared, infrastructure practically is created. This land is proposed to be given to the Defence Expo 2016, which was earlier scheduled to be held in February next year, will now be held in April. For what price? We don't know. It will be paltry sum. 250 acres. Although Chief Minister of Goa has said it is 150 acres, I was told that this land is in central. Peripheral land will automatically go to them. Nobody will be able to use remaining 100 acres. So this is how it is. Now, I have always been saying that Goa does not have vast land, and therefore we are demanding special status, etc. Today I am telling you, we are searching for 200 acres of land which is required badly for All India Medical Institute proposed project, which central government has promised to give us. There is no identification of land for the purpose, but that is what is priority. Maybe 200 can be reduced to some extent, but land for All India Medical Institute is a priority. In such circumstances, squandering the precious land of Goa at Nakeri in Kepe Taluka, is it a world decision? Is to be seen.